All right, so going to take a look at this fun and exciting non-stick pan. Oh yes. I bought this because Facebook kept telling me, oh, you need to buy this. And eventually I did because I needed a pan and yeah, wanted to try them out. So, hooray for marketing. This is what comes in the packaging. This little thing here. This Misen, I'm gonna say. And do's and don'ts, not over 450. You can use it on all these types of stoves, so that's cool. And not over 450 again. Yeah. I don't know a ton about pan stuff, so sorry, but let's do our typical little close-up views. All metal handle, looks like some kind of rivet situation into the pan. This is a rubber silicone type material. It's a little squishy. I like the color. Their blue color is pretty nifty. I have had this pan for 2 or 3 months, so sorry if it's a little dirty or scratched in places, but that gives you an idea of a couple months. So back here there's some texture. The metal goes up into here, so if you're hanging it, that works pretty well. And yeah, and then this can slide off if you need to clean it or something. One thing I'll actually say about that right off the bat is I actually kind of don't like how easy this is to slide on and off, because after you use this for a while, it seems like it's pretty easy for it to kind of come like partially off, and then like you might not grip it right, and so that can be kind of bad news. So I don't know what they could do about that. Maybe like a little notch or something that I could clip into. I don't know. It's not a huge deal, but you just have to kind of pay attention to it. So yeah, their little logo. You can see this nice shine on it, and then you can see there's a little lip here, and this is the back of the pan. And so this has got this like kind of heat spreader kind of situation, so makes it nice and even across the whole pan. And I would say it works pretty well. I've had pans with and without this, and you 100% want this, otherwise you'll get like hot spots. And then it keeps the heat as well, so it helps it just be more consistent in its cooking. So there you go. And yeah, like I said, I've cooked on this for a bit. We have a gas stove, and so it's got those grates, so that's probably why it's a little bit more scratched up than if this was on an electric stove. So here's the inside of the surface. It's kind of got this, I don't know, like almost sparkly kind of thing going on for it. I mean, I can't really say anything about it. It looks just like a pan. It looks like a high quality pan. The texture seems like more high quality. This edge is like, it's thick, but not like super thick. And then yeah. Oh, and this is the 10-inch version of it. I think if I were to buy another one, I would go with 12 or bigger. I know they have a 12. I don't know if they have a bigger version than that. And this is going to be kind of maybe a silly thing to do, but I just wanted to kind of give you a size comparison. So this is 2 12-inch cans in here, and you can see they don't really fit end to end, but that makes sense because this is only like a 10-inch kind of thing. So that's sizing for you. And let's see. So yeah, so the lip, it's pretty angled down into here. And what else can I say about it? So it works pretty well. I would say it works just as good as any other pan. I would say that it seems to be holding on to its non-stick characteristics quite a bit better than cheap pans that I've had before. Let's see, like I've had $100 non-stick pan, and I think this is just as non-sticky as that. And this is much less. I think this pan goes for like 50 to 60, somewhere in there. The other thing to watch out for is these guys have crazy good sales where they'll take like 20% off throughout the year. So watch for that. And I think they have new customer stuff also. Misen, if you want to send me more of these, I would love that, and I will totally review them for you. So, anyways, let's see what else. Oh, yeah. So, you can cook eggs in here, no problem. Comes right off. Like I said, I wouldn't say this is more non-stick than any non-stick pan that I've ever had, but what's nice about it is that it does seem to be holding the non-stick for a lot longer. So I like that quite a bit. Yeah, so I will say one thing. This is actually the second pan that I've had. I had one pan from them where it did get a bubble kind of in here, and they were super cool about it. They replaced it within like a week or two, and this one has not done that same thing. So the first one, maybe there was some manufacturing thing going on, but I did have that happen to me. But yeah, so I plan on buying more of their pans. I like it a lot so far. The only thing I don't like really is this handle. Like I said, it can kind of slip out over time. So otherwise, good stuff. I would check them out. Maybe they'll send me some more stuff and I'll review some more of their things. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if I can answer questions.